There you
Oh, that's the second straight. You just
go.
nailed it.
Even closer.
Yeah, I know. It's like it's almost dead.
See it
It's
back?
not the backslide in the shoot frame.
Yeah, I don't know. I have 5 foam rockets, and all except one do that. My Hellfire has a little more nose weight, and it arcs over, but I don't know why. If they're just so draggy,
Yeah,
it just keeps the back end.
it does it so well. Sweet. Very cool. Awesome. I think I can tell you where the most drag is. It's on the rocket. Back end.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice.